It's the Shelby Nationals presented by Robbins Repairables, and the chick magnet himself is about to give a man a ride in the car. Why is that, Leslie?
Well, what we've done, we got Bob Zabo, which comes with me to all the races. Him and Kathleen's a big part of the Southeast GASSER Association. Kathleen's fighting for her life right now, and we're doing it to raise money for her.
In the staging lanes here at Shady Side Dragway for the Shelby Nationals, and someone is going for a ride. In particular, this gentleman is a Michigander. Man from Michigan, introduce yourself.
I'm Bob Cody from Belleville, Michigan. Yep, I come down here. It's my second time down to Shelby, and I love it, man. It's a great time, great people, and I'm just very fortunate to be right here where I'm at right now. This is unbelievable.
Bob, you are about to go in a ride in a SEGA legal A-gas machine, the chick magnet, that is the current record holder with Leslie Horn. Your thoughts right now?
I'm completely, I have no words. I feel very blessed to be where I'm at right now. And I'm very happy to help out Bob and Kathleen with what they're going through, and I didn't expect anything back out of this. I just love the sport, I love the people, and I have been gifted, that's for sure. I really appreciate it.
She bobbed a little off the line, but
yeah. Well, it's got a little extra ballast in her.
Yeah, that was a full pull. They didn't want me to go past third on you, so I went ahead and run them out. It was all fairly good straight, so I didn't worry about it. Man. I told him I gave him a full pull. They didn't want me to go past third, but I had she's feeling good.
I'll tell you what, it felt good. Oh. I'll tell you what, that was beautiful, man.
Thank you, brother.
No, thank you.
Yes.
I really appreciate what you do for everybody here, man. You know, really do. So
That was a tough one for me because I sure did miss Bob.
yeah,
She probably won't make it through the weekend.
that's sad. Oh, yeah.
Man, I'm glad it was you. You knew what you was doing. Done good. The car done good. Props
Yeah.
off to my tuner guy. I had to stagger the pressure, so she went straight down through there.
It went straight.
That's a pretty good pass for right along 51. She died. She died. We got to put some clutch in it. Yeah, for the half round in.
What do we
She died with 51.
551?
134 miles. Pretty good.
134.
That's fast.
You can see Leslie Horn, driver of the Chick Magnet, with Bob Cody chatting after that pass here at Shadyside Dragway. A pass, a ride along for a good cause here within the Southeast Gassers Association. We're looking forward to a word from Mr. Cody as he just took a lap down Shadyside Drag Strip in the fastest, the quickest A-Gas SEGA legal car in the world, and that is the Chick Magnet. As he begins to work his way out of this gasser, challenging at times to get out of a race car. Have heard that he's no stranger to speed. Bob Cody,
Yeah, sir.
how was the ride?
It was violent. No, it was. I'll tell you what. I love burnouts, so the burnouts was like the pre-dessert, and then man, I'll tell you what I just did right there was life-changing. It was great, very great, man. I tell you what, I'm so grateful for what Leslie's done, letting me have the opportunity for this, and I'm grateful for what he's doing for the family. I mean, that's. My dad died from cancer, and it means a lot to me. So, but man, what a ride! Unbelievable. I'm just tickled that I had the opportunity to do this. Very grateful.
We're glad you had the opportunity, and you're no stranger to speed. Apparently, you've got some salt in your life.
Yeah, so a good friend of mine, Joe Jolly, we run a 79 Mustang, classic gas coupe. We run it out at the Bonneville Salt Flats and Ohio Mile and down in Blytheville, Arkansas. We ran it all over. We're planning on going back out this year. We're doing a little work to the car right now and try to get that record. We're about 14 miles an hour off our record, so that's a lot to pick up, but like any other sport and racing, you just keep trying and keep working at it and have fun doing it. That's the important part, you know.
Bob Cody from Michigan is looking for an A-Gas car now. Leslie Horn, what is it like having some ballast in the passenger seat?
I talked to Brian beforehand. We pulled the old dirt track trick. We staggered the tires a little bit, and to be honest with you, it felt pretty good. They didn't want me to pull him past third gear, but when I grabbed fourth, it was nice and straight, pulling straight, so we just run her on out. And it went a 51 with him in there. It was a pretty good little pass, 134 something mile an hour, so that wasn't too bad. So, yeah,
I don't know how you can see, man. Your vision.
Yeah, no, it was good. And he was a great passenger. He sat over there and done good. So I'm glad I got him. I was worried that I was going to get some 10-year-old kid or something and have to go through there. But anyway, yeah, it was great. I'm glad you done it for great causes. It's for Kathleen.
Yes.
Y'all know Kathleen's fighting for her life, so it's what it's all for. Everything goes to them. Thank you.